guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you what I made with this empty glass drinking bottle. Now the kids haven't used these for months and months and months, so I thought I'll make something out of it. So this is what I came up with. It's a tiny little glass bottle now, and it's pretty, and this goes by the side of my bed so that at night time when I need to see something I switch them on. So it's just like a nice little light, so I'm not turning the lights on full and disturbing the husband. This was made from a necklace which has gone all dirty from all around there, so I've taken that bit off. And these are actually weeds which are all dead, and I thought that they would look really pretty, so I painted them white and added some glitter to them. I don't know if you can see it actually in the camera, but in real life they look really pretty. Now if you're new to my channel, there's lots of different things on there, from Christmas things to sticks and twigs, which I like to do. If you want to leave a comment at the end, if you liked it, if you're going to try it or anything like that. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below if you're going to make it, or if there's something that you really want me to make. That would be wonderful. If you've liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and don't forget to press the notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.